Okay, today let's discuss about incomplete dominance. Now, incomplete dominance, as we have already actually discussed about it, it means that it's a phenomenon where two genes or two alleles which are present, they will neither be completely dominant or completely recessive. Okay, that means what happened, they will show an intermediate in between the two stages. Got it? Suppose if in Mendel's monohybrid cross, what we have done, we have got capital T, small t, isn't it? Here phenotype is tall, this is dwarf. If we cross it in F1 generation, we will get an F1 plant whose phenotype is also tall. Okay, that means this particular trait is dominant and this particular trait is recessive. Okay, now if we self-pollinate it, then in F2 generation we will get capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, and small t. This type of 4 individuals, of which 3 are tall and 1 is dwarf. Okay, that means we will get a ratio 3:1. Mendel's phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio is 1:2:1. So I think that this particular cross is clear to you all, isn't it? We have discussed it 2-3 times, so hopefully it is clear. It's a very simple cross. Okay, now see, there is some deviation in this 3:1 ratio. Okay, so what happened in further studies, it was observed that what Mendel said, that this is the dominant, this is the recessive, but sometimes in some genes are not completely dominant, okay, and some are not completely recessive. That means an intermediate form occurs in between the dominant and the recessive parent, and that particular phenomenon is known as the incomplete dominance. Now, for example, in Mirabilis jelepa, okay, now this is the 4 o'clock plant, or in local term we call it as Godhuli Gopal. Okay, normally we have it in our gardens. It's a very beautiful flower, and this particular flower, actually the speciality is that the same plant has different colors of flowers. Okay, so this is Mirabilis jelepa. Here a cross was done between a red colored flower and a white colored flower. For the red colored flower, we will take the genotype capital R, and for the white colored flower, we will take the genotype small r. Got it? Now this is the P1 generation. When we will cross them, we will get a F1 hybrid which will contain capital R and small r. Now this actually, as per Mendelian concept, this phenotype should be red, isn't it? Here the phenotype, it should be red, but surprisingly this is not red, this is pink color. Okay, that means an intermediate form between the red and white. Okay, so again this was self and F2 generation was obtained. So what we will get? Capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, capital R, small r, and small r. Okay, this will be red as per this one. These two will be pink color and this will be white. That's why we will get a ratio 1:2:1. That means the phenotypic and genotypic, both the ratios are 1:2:1. Okay, that means what happened here, the R gene, it could not dominate the small r gene which was expressing the white color. Again, in other words, we can also say that the small r gene was not being suppressed completely by this capital R gene. That's why an intermediate form was appeared or occurred in the offsprings, in the progeny, which was in between that of the both dominant and recessive parent. So this particular example and the phenomenon indicates about the incomplete dominance. That means this is half dominated, isn't it? In general also, if you take a color and mix red and white, then what happens? We will find a pink color, isn't it? So that means these two are being mixed. This particular type of inheritance is also known as blending inheritance. Now blending means mixing, isn't it? That means the red and white color is being mixed together and an intermediate form is obtained. Got it? This is simple. It is important because this is showing the Mendel's monohybrid cross deviation. That means the 3:1 ratio is being deviated and 1:2:1 ratio is being obtained. Okay, so study them, go through them properly. Earlier also everything is being given to you, so just it's a part of revision. Go through it properly.